Okay, students, so yesterday we have seen that three tables and created wizard through these three tables, client, employee and invoice table. So today we will create a query through query design, and we will see the multiple criteria over there. So first you click on the create or menu, and then query design. Okay, so here you can see three tables: client, employee and invoice. So first you select the employee table because employee is linked with client and client is linked with invoice. So employee first you add, and then client. Okay, automatically the relationship will come. You can see the link between employee ID, this, and next table is invoice. So select that and then click on add and then close. So you can see the link between these three tables. Okay, so now which field you want here, you just select that. So suppose employee ID you want, click here. Okay, names, then suppose city, state. Okay, this is not coming all, so drag it. Yes, like this. City done. State, double click, or you can do like this: salary, drag it over here. So in this way also you can do. So joining date, suppose I am not doing, you can do transport. Okay, from here suppose client ID, then client name, or due date or balance, and here invoice ID and name. Okay, so these things we have done up to here: invoice ID and invoice and then name. So you can see here the result. So just you click on the run, it will show you employee ID, name, city, state, salary, transport, client ID, client name, client due date. Okay, so these things: client due date, client balance, invoice ID and name, all fields will come here when you will click on this run option. Now this one is a created query, creating query through these three tables: client, employee and invoice, and through the query design. Now we will see multiple criteria. We have seen multiple table. Now we will see multiple criteria. So for that, first you have to go to the create. First you close it. If you want to save, then you can save here. Query 1, you can write down query design multiple tables. Multiple tables query. Okay, design. Then click on OK. Here you can see multiple tables query design. When you will click over here, this will come. Okay, so now we'll see the multiple criteria. For that, employee client table, this one you can see the view, design view. Okay, here you can set the criteria. Just for example, I want those employees who avail transports or who doesn't avail transport. Any criteria you can do. So criteria, you just first you go to this transport criteria field. Now you suppose write down yes, means who avails this transport, those employees I want to see. So just yes right here, and then click on run option. First you write over here yes, and then click on the run. Here you can see run is written, so click on that run. Here you can see only those records who have a transport facility, only those names are here. Okay, only 3 names are here. Employee ID, you can see this 3. Okay, because one client ID, 2 client IDs are there, that's why employee ID is to come here. Same employee ID, same name, same city, all things are same, but here you can see this invoice ID is different. Okay, so this is the way how will you create the query by multiple criteria. One more we can see, go to the view, then design view. Here you can set the multiple criterias. Suppose we want client balance. Client balance should be greater than 0. Okay, that should be greater than 0. If client balance is nil, though those employees we can see whose balance is 0. No, not 0, greater than 0. Okay, if you want to see whose values are, whose balance are 0, then you have to write equal to 0. Otherwise you have to write here greater than 0. Okay, then you can see here, click on the run option. Who client balance you see, yes, only these 3. Okay, maybe it's more, but 2 conditions are checked, transport yes, and client balance should be greater than 0. That's why it's coming. So now you go to the design view. If you suppose here not doing anything, then let us see, run, then also 3, that means 0, greater than 0 is this 3. Here you go to the 0 transport employee. If you will write no here, then let us see what happened. So click on the run option. Here you can see no, nothing is coming. That means this type of employees who doesn't avail the transport but the client balance is greater than 0 is not here in this table. So that's why it's coming like this. I'm not saving it. Go to the design view. So transport facility, suppose I am giving here yes. Client balance, suppose greater than 0. Now suppose client name, due date, state, suppose I am giving here state West Bengal. West Bengal or UP. Okay, city I want to give here UP, that means Varanasi or Kolkata. Okay, these 2 cities. I want to check those employees who lives in Varanasi or Kolkata and the state West Bengal or UP. Okay, those employees I want to see. Then let us see what happened. And suppose one more, oh sorry, salary is not yes, transport is yes, salary suppose greater than, suppose I have given here salary greater than, let us see employee table, na, salary 5,000, 60,000, 45,000. Suppose I want to see greater than 40,000. Okay, but here is no export, so it will not come. No, here only 60,000 come here. 80,000 is also here, 45 and 80, but it will not come. Let us see. In salary, suppose I am writing here greater than 40,000. Greater than 40,000, state West Bengal or UP, city I have given here criteria, transport yes, and client balance greater than 0. Anything else? No. These criteria, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 criteria I have given here. Let us see now. Click on the run option. So click on this run option. All of you can see now. Employee ID, names. In city I have given the criteria Varanasi or Kolkata. State I have given West Bengal or UP. Salary I have given greater than 40,000. Transport yes, and client balance I have given here greater than 0. Okay, so these criterias I have given here. Now click on the run. So only one record you can see here, that employee ID is 2, name Manish, city Varanasi, UP, Kolkata is not coming here because I think either transport means these criterias are not matching, that's why it has not come. So you can see here only one record has come over here, so that is from this Manish. Salary 60,000, only one, because transport and this 2 fields matching only one record. So client ID, client name, only one record is here, and you can see the balance is also greater than 0. Okay, invoice ID this, Anindo name, and anything else? No. So this things, multiple criteria you can see. I think all of you clear. So you do it in a practical, and if you have any problem then feel free to ask in comment box. So according to that I will tell you. Okay, and if you have no problem then also tell me in comment box. So thank you. Do it at your home in practical, and read the book also. Thank you.